Okay, in this video, I've been asked a question several times, and I think I'd just do a tutorial video on it. So this is at page 5-32 in the book, where we duplicate an existing wall, rename it, and call it exterior garage wall interior. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead. I selected the outside wall. I'm going to hit edit type. I'm going to duplicate, and then I'm going to call it the name that he wants from the book. Hit OK. So now that I've renamed it, I can start editing it. So now I'm in the middle of page 533. So we want to hit the preview pane. We want to make sure we're at the section. Now that we're at the section, there's all these other buttons that show up here. So now we're going to edit the structure. And we're going to hit sweeps. So item 15 on page 533. He wants us to delete both of the sweeps. And then hit OK. So now we're going to get rid of these vertical stack regions, and he's going to rename the plywood and call it gypsum wallboard. So first off, we're going to do is click, we're on the top of page 5-34. We're going to click merge regions. We're going to zoom in with the mouse wheel. We're going to hit so that it's the arrows pointing down. Now I could use the tab button, or if I could just go like that. So now I've merged these two together. And then what he has you do is get rid of these two layers because we had to merge them before we could delete them. So we're going to delete the first finish. We're going to delete the second finish. Now he has you move the membrane air infiltration barrier under the gypsum wallboard. In reality, that's not right construction, but let's just not confuse ourselves and follow the book here. So we're going to move that down so that it's under here. And then if you look at the diagram at the bottom of page 534, he wants you to change the substrate to finish 1. He wants you to change the material to gypsum wallboard. So I got that. And then he just wants you to change the thickness to 1/2. And then we hit OK and OK. And now we've got our new wall all set up and we're ready to go up to top of page 5-35. Okay, thank you.